I am Jen Tyler, Political Deputy Minister of the Ministry of the Interior. Welcome to the world of TIGO. TIGOS, Taiwan Geographic Information Search. In 1990, the Ministry of the Interior established the National Geographic Information System Steering Committee. This marked the beginning of an effort to integrate 9 geographic databases. In June 2009, a new National Geographic Information System promotional organization, led by CEPD, added 6 application support groups to the 9 databases. The Information Center of the Ministry of the Interior is responsible for comprehensive planning, standard system, and data warehouse groups. It is responsible for managing the geospatial data and applications within their business scopes. The TIGOS portal has been created to integrate national geospatial data, which was formerly dispersed among various agencies. Initially, the purpose was to instruct appropriate government authorities to draft service regulations and help government and the private sectors to integrate and develop value-added application services, thus achieving data access and data sharing. The second phase focused on the integration, value-added information, application services, and development of the National Geospatial Information System. The third phase focused on developing a method of data exchange, data mining, and other functions in order to build a complete National Geospatial Information System warehouse and access center. After 2008, TIGOS accelerated the development of its alliance nodes, considered how to sustain its operation, strengthened its value-added geospatial data application, and improved the SOA data and functionalities. The TIGOS portal solves the related problems of national geospatial information, system access, and data sharing. It offers functions such as online metadata search, cross-node layer browsing, and online geospatial data access. The portal has shown positive results in data sharing, geospatial data warehousing, and in enhancing the overall value of the national geospatial information systems. The TIGOS portal, by interfacing with alliance nodes, adheres to the centralized management distributed processing model. This model maximizes the value of the geospatial data generated by the various agencies and facilitates information access and data sharing. Alliance nodes, based on their type and scope of utilization, are separated into 4 categories: metadata type, geospatial data supply type, online service supply type, and gateway type nodes. Currently, the data collected by TIGOS includes core geospatial data and basic geospatial data. Of these types, the core geospatial data is the more important, and it is often shared for base maps. The basic geospatial data is a comprehensive and universal basic environment data that is crucial for national development. In the modern world, data accumulate very fast. One critical factor of excellent spatial data sharing and exchange is the popularity of metadata. By entering, accessing, and interpreting metadata, users can gain preliminary knowledge about the spatial data itself. For general users, TIGO's many functions enable the retrieving of information both richly and in real time. The TIGOS webpage main toolbar includes a TIGOS map, metadata search, web service search, free geospatial data download, and online tutorial. TIGOS uses 3 base maps. The first is a road network digital atlas issued by the Institute of Transportation of the Ministry of Transportation and Communications. The second is an aerial image issued by the Aerial Survey Office of the Forestry Bureau of the Council of Agriculture Executive Yuan. The third map is the satellite imagery from Formostat 2 from the National Space Organization, which is the distribution center for National Taiwan University. Users can choose which base map to browse and can even perform image overlays from the WMS service that is offered by each Alliance node. From the beginning of TIGOS in 2005 through today, the development and use of Alliance nodes have been improving and growing steadily. The TIGOS portal has the most complete and up-to-date National Geographic information. It also has the most complete web service that includes a research catalog and metadata database. As a single portal for National Geographic information and web services, TIGOS allows the public and organizations to locate geographic information, to utilize web services, and to access the geospatial data application. The success of the TIGOS portal will benefit and positively impact different types of users such as government agencies, academic departments, businesses, civil organizations, value-added businesses, and the general public. In June 2010, the Ministry of the Interior finished implementing the National Address Number Positioning Service, which offers system developers basic functions for address positioning. This service replaced the previous process of acquiring and managing address information. As a result, development costs decrease. The benefit of the address information for each city and county can be expanded, and the development of the GIS application system can be expedited. The scope of NGIS is comprehensive, and the information contained is multidimensional and complex. Therefore, TIGOS was carefully designed and implemented to get maximum benefit from NGIS. In addition to policy considerations, future enhancements and implementations will be considered very carefully. Each database group, division of roles, and area of expertise will be clearly and precisely defined. Therefore, the Ministry of the Interior, as supervising manager of NGIS development and data access, will actively invest in resources and combine the contributions from both private and academic sectors to further improve the functionality of TIGOS. And hopefully in doing so, TIGOS can be as useful and as effective as possible. In the future, development and implementation of the TIGOS portal will be expanded in phases to satisfy the demand for geospatial data from all walks of life. The Information Center of the Ministry of the Interior, as NGIS supervisor and manager for maintenance and operation of the data warehouse, offers integrated NGIS geospatial data, assists in application system development, offers the public convenient services, and improves the quality of the decision-making environment. But it is also expected to accelerate the application of value-added geospatial data, encourage upgrades of industry, enhance GIS researchability, and create business opportunities for industry, thereby increasing national competitiveness.